Hey guys, it's me, Lay. I hope that you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome, and I hope that you enjoy your stay. Today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new Vander Speck. This is a custom, which is a standard traveler's notebook. I am actually going to log in right now to my Vander Speck account so I can see where I actually purchased, when I actually purchased this. Alright, so I've purchased this Basic Nomad. It's a TN cover, a standard size. I purchased it last February 23rd, and it just got here, and today is April 1st. Okay, so you guys have an idea of how long it took. I actually chose the basic because I thought it was going to make a difference. If it's a simple product, it would be faster, but I don't think that was the case. Okay, so it says, "Hi, I am your new VDS planner, or the Vander Speck," and we have here some extra strings. All right. So I purchased the basic, which is the basic comes with no pockets or anything like that. The reason to that is that I don't really use a pocket. Okay, so we're going to, it's beautiful. It is the black ostrich. Okay, let's see. It has this beautiful sheen to it. And the texture is just lovely. Oh my goodness. It feels really good. Feels really, really good. Okay, so this is called the black ostrich. And then on the inside leather is the azalea napa. Ooh, look at that yummy texture and that pink color. Oh my gosh. The reason why I chose this is because I was wanting a personal size actually, but I wasn't sure if I was going to love, you know, the two different colors in one planner. I'm just not used to that. As you can see here, I have their Touch Me collection, their Touch Me line. So I wanted something simple to see, okay, how is the black ostrich going to look good with the azalea napa? And the stitching is the same thing. It's the azalea napa. Would I change the stitching? If I will order again, I think I'll just stick to black. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I think I love it. Okay, so here's the inside. It is very plain and simple. There's no pockets or anything like that. There are 4 strings included, so you can put in 4 inserts in here. And then there's nothing, no pocket. It's just like this. If you're familiar with the Traveler's company, it's the same thing. You know, no pocket or anything like that. It's just the leather and then the strings inside. I love, this is so smooth and like so velvety. Do I love it? I do. I do love the colors together. If I will order it next time, now that I know, I think I would order it without the stiffener. I don't necessarily love the stiffener inside. I would prefer it more squishy. Yeah, I think that's the thing I'm gonna do next, is without the stiffener, because I don't really care for that cardboard feel on that inside. Right now, I am using my Gilio. And this is, I'm not sure what's the name of the leather. I'm not familiar with the names of the leather. It could be the bubble gum, I think. Let me just take out my bows, because I love bows. This is from K&Co. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. And then I have another bow in here from K&Co again. As you can see here, I have pockets here, right? And I don't really use it. So that's why I'm like, you know what? I don't think I need a pocket for my TN, because I never use the pockets. So I just have my inserts in here, and then I never really use the insert. I mean, I never really use the pockets for my TN, so I really didn't care about asking for some pockets configuration on the inside because it's more money, and plus I don't use them, so what's the point of paying more if really there's no use for it, you know? This is my only issue like this, is that it doesn't lay flat. There's like a squishy part in the middle part of your TN. See that? So if you lay it down, it'll lay flat though. So, I mean, you're not going to lay it down like that really. So, but it lays down, it lays flat. That middle part kind of like, I think, makes it where it would lay flat. And also when I'm working on my inserts anyways, I don't have it inside my TN. I always take out the insert and then I work on my insert and then I just put it back. Basically, this is just the home for my inserts. The price, yes, before we forget, the price was 89 pounds, and shipping to the US was 19 and 50, so 20 pounds. But I think it was worth the wait. It's gorgeous now that I know the leather, now that I've seen it. I really love it. I love the combination. Again, the only thing that I'll change is I think I will stick to a black stitching so that I don't really necessarily like the pop of pink over here outside. So I think I'll keep it like that. And then I love the inside. So if I'm going to order a custom personal size planner, I think I'll have the outside and the black ostrich like this, and then I'll keep the pink on the inside, and then keep the stitching, I think maybe black as well, because I don't necessarily like that. I will get a gold ring. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see if I do that. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. Until the next one, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.